Hello, I'm Fletch of Fletch Flips. My wife Leslie and I go to garage sales, estate sales, and thrift stores looking for bargain buys to resell in our eBay store, which is called Fletch Flips also, and Facebook Marketplace. I've discovered something a little dissettling about UPS, and it's really kind of suspicious and maybe almost trying to rip us resellers off. Let me share with you what I have found and let me see what you think by commenting below. Let's go. I'm going to start way back from the very beginning when I started using Pirate Ship because they give me excellent records. I'm not going to go into the details of why I use Pirate Ship or share with you all the ins and outs of it, but I do want to say there are three main reasons I do use them. Their customer service is phenomenal. They get back to you right away. They've been more than fair over numerous different things that I've had over the last several years. They've always helped me out and made the corrections they needed to make and made it right. And they're a lot of fun to deal with. Number two is their rates are very, very good for USPS and for UPS. And they beat eBay almost all the time. The other thing is that disputing a chargeback from UPS or USPS, they're very good to work with. So let's get into the issue of what's happening with UPS and why I'm making this video. I've been working with Pirate Ship since 2021 and spent a tremendous amount of money with them. I ship out 1,500 to 2,000 items per year selling things on eBay. So I'm very well versed in the shipping process. It started out I'd get messages from UPS via Pirate Ship saying that my charges were adjusted because my dimensions or whatever was wrong. They never gave any certain uh, points as to what was wrong. And that's not really where I think that maybe they're trying to rip us off, but sometimes it was kind of weird because I would dispute every single one of them. And there wasn't one that I did not win. They refunded the money that they had debited me, and I just went about my business. But about a year ago, I started receiving a different type of a letter from UPS, and they were trying to soak me for $12.75. And I must at least got 2 dozen of these over a period of a few months. Let's take a look at how these disputes started. All right, here we are on Pirate Ship's website, and this is the carrier adjustment report. As you can see down through here, this is in July of 2025. Dispute approved. Dispute approved. These are also that I've applied for. Dispute approved. Applied. Dispute approved. Dispute approved. Go to the next page. These are all ones I've applied for. Dispute approved. Dispute approved. This is all the way back to 2024. Every single dispute that I have challenged with UPS has gotten approved. Let me show you what it looks like when I receive the notification from UPS. This is what the notification looks like when I receive it. Ahoy, Tim Fletcher. Pirate Ship always uses sailor terms and stuff. It's really cool. They are such an awesome company to work with. This is not a plug for them. I'm not getting paid anything for them. I just happen to work with them and think they're awesome. But they'll send you a message. The shipping carrier has notified us that your package does not match the details provided on your shipping label. This kind of adjustment comes directly from the carrier, not from Pirate Ship, and has nothing to do with the timing of your label purchase. This is the tracking number. It's a $12.95 charge on top of what I charge the customer for shipping. So I'm getting whacked for $12.95. I says, what's this about? Then you go on. Given the above details, the shipping carrier has charged your Pirate Ship account the total of $12.95. You can review these transactions in your reports page. How did this happen? This carrier's clever automated machine noticed that your package was a bit different than what you said it to be. But fear not, matey, these things happen. Some common differences are. And they give you all these different reasons. However, none of these conditions apply. I did everything correct, and I always keep documentation of it. So what's really nice is the pirate ship sends you a link in the email that you can click on to dispute the charge, which I always do 100% of the time. And as I stated previously, I've won every single dispute I've ever filed with UPS. And it makes it nice because why don't they give you details? And here's the letter I send, or the note I send when I dispute it. It's short and sweet, and the reason being is because they give you very limited amount of space to put a response to dispute it. But I canned this one, and I just send it automatically as soon as I get another charge. Hello, my dimensions are always rounded to the next inch and weight to the next pound, so I don't know how you determine it's different. Please explain or refund the $12.95 charge. Thanks, Tim Fletcher. You know the best part about this is? I get this email on every single charge I dispute. You've been refunded the $12.95 to your pirate ship account to be used for future labels, or we can refund it to the credit card that you used to put the funds in there. They're so helpful, but that's not all. The fun of it is how they have fun with their business. You know, life is all about having fun. And I like to do business with people that like to have fun with what they're doing in their business. And Pirate Ship is it. I know I'm talking highly about them a lot, like I'm going to get paid, but I don't. I just think they're so cool. This was at the end of the email. Apologies for the stormy seas you sailed through, but we're mightily glad your dispute was approved. If you need any help, just give us a shout. We're always here to lend a hook. Happy shipping, matey. Arr. The adjustment crew at Pirate Ship. They always talk like that, even when you get into their chat. And I want to tell you, when you get into their chat and you start asking them about things, I had one dispute that I filed with the USPS. And it wasn't a dispute. I was trying to get refunded on a label that I printed and didn't need. I voided it. And they're supposed to just refund it. They didn't. And I discovered it a couple months later when I was checking through my previous files. And I contacted Pirate Ship. They made it happen. I had the money in my account within 24 hours. That's just the way they work. And I want to tell you, I don't know if they're trying to rip us off on purpose, but it's rather suspicious that every single dispute that I've charged, I've gotten a refund on. What do you say about it? Give me some comments below if you've ran into issues with UPS like this, and if you're getting those charges. I hope this video has helped you. I'd love it if you take the time to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, with Fletch Flips, live a crazy good day.